Hello everyone, my name is Suvidara Ford. I am your store manager. Due to the fact that we have had some issues with some of our cash is missing and the balance was wrong for a couple times this past month, we need to have a better cash handling policy to help prevent this issue to happen again. So today I will update all of you our new cash handling policy. It is called two-person policies. The first one, safes should only be opened with 2 people present. Second, require that 2 people are present whenever cash is transported from one location to another. Third, the person with the combination of the safe should not be one of the people involved in handling the cash in the safe. I believe these two-person policies will greatly help us in preventing financial loss. So please adhere to the new cash handling policies. Thank you.